this hour. Sapling plantation in Kobru Range soon, says Chief Minister Biren. Manipur government to increase production of indigenous Meitei Cheng. And Union Minister Ramdas Atwale inaugurates newly constructed RPIA office at Imphal. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Loving. Now the news in details. Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day was held at Chief Minister's Secretariat Darbar Hall today. Several people from both the hills and valley attended the event to air their grievances to Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. At the program, N. Biren also interacted with Green Ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission, Valentina Ilangbam. Miyamgi Numit People's Day is celebrated every month as a forum for the general public to address their grievances and submit their suggestions. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Chief Minister Biren said various saplings have been planted and will continue to do so to make Green Manipur Mission a success. He also said that fruit-bearing plants will replace poppy plants in the hill areas.
Pigibadi, Miami Numisanga Nira, Uyenba was Anirangari, Nanmuk 1,400 sapling ama Yentue. Namuki Miami Numita, Nashisu around thousands Kimayani Yelisi. Lungasiki Lavagam Pavana is Miami Sanu PC, Kugi, Valentina, the Green Manipur Mission Ambassador, when officially happened with Sanu PC, my Pago and Laya. Ma ai ga utang unage haidana ai kan basilore sane to pegi kanona marup sina Manipur ga laya duna ekhoi masigi juji ekhoi paksana sathari forest ki huji ekhoi Kobru range u paksana thagani adagi ngarang su ekhoi Chochanpur area da DG masa tharga khoi aduda moi civil societies mayamga poppy plantations yanthalaga alternative ama pirakanda tree plantation tawna bi deforestation tawrakanda tawriba mayam je madu tawna bi ngarang meeting to khotpa hore.
Commenting on the statement of NSCN-IM leader T.H. Muiva on the ongoing peace talks between the government of India and NSCN-IM, which was published in the local newspapers today, Biren said that it will not affect the state's integrity at all. General Secretary of NSCN-IM, Twingaleng Muiva, said that the center has misinterpreted the term inclusion in the framework agreement that is meant to yield a solution to the decades-old Naga political problem by October.
The state is very clear. Manipur gi oiba part area anything. Ama the shokwe aroi Manipur tongana dum ekhoi gi oiba like territorial boundary integrity administration sidai madu gi disrupt we aroi have stand ekhoi gi clearly lay.
During the Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day, Green Ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission, Valentina Ilangbam, distributed various saplings to the participants. That was the second sapling distribution during Miyamgi Numit. Wheelchairs were also distributed to some differently abled persons as part of the program. Chief Minister also said the sapling plantation program will be taken to Kobru Range. He also said sapling plantation in places like Churachandpur and Senapati will also be taken up soon in collaboration with the social organizations. Chief Minister N. Biren assured that his government would take steps to increase indigenous Meitei-Cheng rice production in the state in the years to come. He was talking to reporters during the 103rd birth anniversary celebration of late Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya at Shamumakhong in Khwaramban Bazaar, Imphal today. He expressed happiness and gave all the credits to local farmers for winning the Krishi Karman Award 2019. Biren announced that the government has already sanctioned Rs 6 crore for Rabi crop cultivation. He also underlined the need of every concerned authority to properly monitor all activities and projects being taken up by the government. Commenting on the issue of government college lecturers' salary, the Chief Minister said that his government is discussing the matter with the related department to sort out the matter soon.
Trautogasu, Ekoi Nahan, Ekoi Haiba, the Mina, 6 crore already with Hadokre, Peggy Ravi Kropski, the Anuba, says Senya, Poga Dragadi, Kari Gehut Hagadra, Natragana, Karikari Makalmakat Hagadi, have the Pilpak or Tarukuma Hadokre. My taste young Apabajik Yam Tana Driver, Yam Longna Driver. I don't know Madugi, Maramduna. Production wala ko duna tangbo igani ab husiki akhoi local varieties ju man handa na ba production khare hen kana handak chahi dei di koi kana honani college gi di moi gi grant commission gi aduguma norm samalai banina madu ai moi gi mi ga su unana ba ai scenery e aduga kramai tor ga solution to boy age hebu yenga ga ba ai wari sagani.
Chief Minister N. Biren stated that an official team will be sent soon to look into the current condition of the Manipur House Rajbari situated at Laitumkra Red Lane in Shillong. Speaking to media at CM Darbar Hall during the Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day, Chief Minister Biren said that the government will inspect the existing condition and land of the Manipur House Rajbari. Biren informed that in this regard, he was also in touch with his Meghalaya counterpart Conrad Sangma. Chief Minister said that the state has planned to upgrade the Manipur House, but added that the land needs to be cleared of any dispute. In a media query, Biren said that an official team is sending there to look into the present condition of Manipur House.
Shillongisi aiga tawna raisi ha ahum mari gumba sure. Ji ema khatang Shillongi Revenue Department dagi CM khatang lokthokadaba CM khatan thokadaba si Conrad Honorable Chief Minister mangun da su aina phone toroga hai kare mana su mi thabiro haidana ada leiriba supervisor haitare madudai da aina husiki hariba sie sang mayam si clear tawro aduga encroachment khar leina ba haitare encroachment khar leina ba do madu clear tok sen tawbuni aduna aina hujiksi sagat pagi dudi state ki budget gi dum sagat pe yani state ki budget gi sagana ba khoi madu gi plan lei ado tawda bo hujiki lam gi dong ta clear tok gena tawbuni aduna thubada ai ngasi je hujing ngasi October September gi ngasi 25 so within October sida da hari ba se sang mayam to clear tok thoga ai hanagi khoi gi mayam thungbam sabham lepham dorom bodo uji haibi gi bodo madu ma hanjanna ba ai am thun honani.
Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas Atwale, who is also the President of Republican Party of India A, is in Imphal. He arrived in the Manipur capital this afternoon. During his visit to the state, Ramdas will hold a series of discussions with the state ministers and high-ranking officers, sources said. Earlier during the day, he inaugurated a newly constructed office of RPIA at Kaishampad Ahaibam Lekai, Imphal. Later, Ramdas headed for Manipur Trade and Expo Center located at Lamboy Khongnangkhong to attend a meeting. The Union Minister has assured to extend all financial assistance from the Center for the Development of Manipur State.
Our NDA government wanted to fully support to the North-East states. And Manipur is also one of the important states in the Northeast. And I'll discuss with the Chief Minister of Manipur which problems are pending with the Government of India. And that proposal should be sanctioned by the Government of India. and near about 80% money is coming from Government of India for the development of the state. And definitely our government is also very serious to support all the northeast states.
The Naga Students Federation (NSF) and the Naga Students Union Delhi (NSUD) took out an emergent rally in New Delhi this afternoon under the theme "Implement the Principles of Framework Agreement." The rally was held to highlight that India and Nagalim are as two separate political entities. Thousands of Naga students took out the rally from Mandi House to Parliament Street. The decision was taken against the backdrop of Prime Minister's advice to R.N. Ravi to find solution in 3 months' time within the Constitution of India. This, the body feel, directly negates the principle of the Framework Agreement signed between the Government of India and the NSC and IM. United Committee Manipur UCM will organize a one-day all-political party alert meeting on the possible settlement of Naga Peace Accord on October 1 at lamjingbatomtv in Palace Compound, Imphal. This was informed in a press release today from UCM. Now it's time for a short break, but coming up, 103rd birth anniversary of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay observed across Manipur.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at ₹10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938. Maitai Singi Puwariga Sagon Aduna Laklaba Mapam Ama Oiriba Sagolban Thangapat Lairiba The Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store Ngaihak Awaba Pothafam Ama Oibata Natana Restaurant Manung Da Yaujariba Inbuilt Departmental Store Da Adomgi Household Items Sing Su Phangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na adom gi taste bud to satisfy oihaliba menu items sing enjoy to biyo. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy to biyo. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome back after the break. The Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh observed the 103rd birth anniversary of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay at the State Unit Office, Kanchipur, Imphal. A cleanliness program was held at the office premises to mark the occasion. General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Nimbus, along with other BJP leaders, paid tribute to the late leader at the event.
The party ki akoi basic philosophy oi ribang sai integral humanism masi puthok pi dana Bharatiya Janata Party na mahaki integral humanism haiba basic philosophy sida satna ngasi mi crore sam kunthra hena leiba Bharat Barsha sibu akoi lusing iba Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri na Miyam gi damakta thabak tawakpada ngasai gi antodyoya gi thakta leiraba kangu singdu digi hauraga amathakta leiba phauksing da sap manaba miyenga loinana thabak si tawakpuna maram oire heraga ngasidi Bharat si adugumba prithvi gi saukhatlaba leibak sing adugi lamjienda akhoi mangjin thana chenma ngamai.
BJP Thoubal district also observed the 103rd birth anniversary of former party leader and president of Jana Sangh, Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay at the BJP office in Thoubal. Thoubal Unit BJP President L. Deben and others paid floral tributes to the portrait of Deen Dayal. The participants cleaned the surrounding area of Keba Hills and also offered paid tributes to the statue of Pauna Brajabasi located there. As a part of the 103rd birth anniversary observance of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay, the Jiribam Bharatiya Janata Party Mandal, led by President-in-charge E. Samor Singh, Jiribam municipality members and BJP workers paid tribute to the statue of Hijam Irabot. General Secretary Administration of BJP Mandal O. Brajamani Singh, Organization Secretary Paunam Prem Meitei and workers took part in the event.
September ki tarik kunmanga Pandit Dildal Upadhyay gi sama hum subo mapok kumonga mari leinana Silwan BJP mandal na aikoi iram na masigi jananeta Airawat ki sakta masida aikoina mekuk maira ai leikatuna masigi tharom masi pangthok
Chief Minister N. Biren Singh assured the agitating government college teachers that their demand for implementation of the 7th Pay Commission in Manipur would be addressed soon. The agitation of the government college teachers entered the second day today, and this affected the normal functioning of the classes. The Federation of Government College Teachers Association earlier had alleged that the state government did not pay heed to their demands despite repeatedly requesting the Chief Minister to fulfill their demands at the earliest. Thanlon constituency MLA Vungzagin Valte stated that he has always faith in the Biren-led government in Manipur. He said he will continue to extend support to the BJP-led coalition government. Addressing the media at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Valte added that the economic growth, infrastructure development, and revenue collection in the state are a new change brought about by the government under the leadership of Biren. He dubbed the present political crisis in Manipur a waste of time, saying it will not bring prosperity for the state.
Leaders of the party have a full confidence in the leadership of Mr. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister, and I will not act against the present leadership of state government and direction of the high command of the parties. The present political crisis is just wastage of available time of the elected member and the public representatives. This political crisis will not bring any prosperous to the state and for the public of Manipur.
Yaripok police apprehended one woman along with 1 kg of opium during routine frisking and checking at Yaripok Bamon Lekai area this afternoon. According to reports, the woman was identified as Kikim Vaipai, aged 43 years, wife of Minlun Vaipai of Saijang, Pailenjang village. A regular case has been registered at Yaripok police station in this regard. In a major fire mishap, a 2-story house was destroyed at Kyamgai Makhalekai under Irilbung police station of Imphal East. Electric short circuit is believed to be the cause of the blaze. As per reports, properties worth around Rs 15 lakh were destroyed in the fire. The house owners are identified as 37-year-old Mohammad Zakaria Hussain and his younger brother Mohammad Zulfikar Ali. Mohammad Ayub, a local, told media that the locals managed to control the fire before the fire landers could reach the scene. He expressed displeasure that due to bad road condition, the fire tenders could not arrive at the site on time. A rented room caught fire at Sagolban Thangapat Mapan of Imphal West today. As per report, the fire was started from electric short circuit. Fire tenders rushed to the site and doused the fire. The house owner was identified as one Kumbo Mayum Tomcho, and the rented room was occupied by one Ibobi Ningtojam and his family. Reportedly, the fire destroyed Rs 51,000 in cash and other important documents. No casualties were reported during the incident.
Ngasigi maise kanodagi akoi sum satfam gali pareng mangon pareng haidare ko adudagi electric tagi hawba mai oigadra khalle adu aina directi uhawdre pulap sa leirameba mathak kano gali pareng do.
Another short commercial break, but right after the break, free health camp held at Morey Hospital. Stay tuned.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Manipur. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVA DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862 566601 or 0385 245211. authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Welcome back. Observing Ayushman Bharat Diwas, the District Health Society, Tengnopal District today organized a free health camp at Morey Hospital. Free screenings for leprosy, tuberculosis, AB, PMJY, diabetes, hypertension, etc. were conducted during the camp. Today's event was participated by doctors of various departments, and around 50 individuals were given treatment and medicines free of cost. On the other hand, District Health Society Tengnopal District conducted another free health camp at Leibi village yesterday as a part of Ayushman Bharat Diwas. A free health checkup cum health awareness program was conducted at the Upper Primary School Ishing Chaiba ground, organized by Kumbi Municipal Council under Swash Self-Help Group, Pariwar Day, NULM Government of India. More than 500 people of 60 houses of Kumbi wards will be benefited under Day NULM. Medical Officer in charge of Kumbi Primary Health Center, Dr. T.H. Sawan Kumar, Medical Officer of Ayush Kumbi Primary Health Center, Dr. N. Irabod, Medical Officer Dr. K.H. Bishojit, Community Health Officer of Health and Wellness Center, Kumbi Awang, A.K. Soshma Devi took part in the free health medical checkup program.
One day free health checkup program Kumbi Primary Health Center gi Dr. Sawan Kumar Thoksom Medical Officer in charge loina si medical officer gi kanu makada hariba sarona target self group members sing amadi magi paribar sing gi asimlo si sarona mi samli songamti yengani bagi target sinjaba program.
A 3-day state-level archery competition 2019 organized by 9 Sector 6 Assam Rifles concluded today at 9 Sector 6 Assam Rifles headquarters, Kaitel Manbi. During the final stand-off, L. Milan won gold, M. Bikas won silver, and S. Robert won bronze in India round men's category. In the women's category, M. Baby won gold, Irom Abesana won silver, and L. Sophia took the bronze. At the compound round boys category, S. Ramakanta took gold, M. Bikram took the silver, and N. Malengamba won the bronze medal. For compound round women's category, S.H. Manorama, L. Dulina, and T. Suchitra won the gold, silver, and bronze medal respectively. In recurve round men's category, N. Amarjit, N. Malemngamba, and N. Parito won gold, silver, and bronze respectively. And L. Sima, P. Jennifer, and P.H. Lumila took the gold, silver, and bronze medal for recurve round women's category. Speaking on sidelines of the event, Deputy Inspector General of 9th Sector Assam Rifles, Siddharth Chandra, stated that the Assam Rifles hopes to nurture the youth of the state in the field of sports besides maintaining law and order in Manipur.
Manipur is a state which has given birth to many sports women and men who've done tremendously well for the country. We also promote sports and other such activities amongst the youth in Manipur, so that Manipur produces more and more sportswomen and sportsmen who further go on and do well for the country and within the country as well as abroad.
The proscribed People's Liberation Army PLA today observed its 41st Rising Day at its general headquarters and other units. As part of the observance, homage was paid to all the cadres who laid down their life in the course of the movement, the outfit informed in a press release signed by its publicity secretary. PLA is the armed wing of the Banned Revolutionary People's Front, popularly known as RPF. On the occasion, RPF President Irengbom Chauren said that to win back the freedom of Manipur, there is no means other than war. Militant group National Revolutionary Front, Manipur NRFM, has clarified that Wangkai Mayum Sanjoy, aged 46 years, son of W. Ibobi of Pungdombam, Makhalekai, and Chingkham Subas, aged 26 years, son of C.H. Sanatomba of Andro Leitan Pokpi, who were arrested by Manipur Police Commando from Pangai Bazaar on September 24 last, have no connection whatsoever with the outfit. This was informed in a press release from NRFM. Deaf Welfare Organization, Manipur and All Manipur Association of the Deaf and Mute jointly observed the 2nd International Day of Sign Languages and 62nd International Week of the Deaf 2019 under the theme Everyone is Included at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal. The event was attended by ENT Dr. Pinky, Headmistress of Deaf and Mute School, Takyel and Kalpana Devi, along with Yumnam Nilamani Singh of Khadi Board. Talking on the sidelines of the observance, Deputy Secretary of Social Welfare Department, Banti, opined that being a deaf and mute person doesn't mean that his or her status is lower than anyone else in the society. He added that every individual must treat deaf and mute persons equally because they have their own share of life to live with everyone.
Akoina na tadaba misina mayang imirakta pun matamda koni yam hangoi ni kai ni yumni tholaga pulapa matamda wa mina wa harapada tahudraganda tadan kundaba se mina mi kaya de koi nan karem nabiba ka koi nongna biba adumone ne khanba amasimba koi samaj le riba masim ta koina to tohning da bang message thamjage aroi beda koi mi khidmang na koi wang ngam haibe smaina koi mi khidmang na koi deep in mid ki moi ki tawri sign language
As part of the event, a silent rally was kicked off from the press club, which marched through Koyatong and Mahatma Gandhi Avenue in Imphal City and back. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. No meeting point on the term inclusive in FA, flag, constitution. Problems in peace talk, says T.H. Muiva. Gorkhas decry omission from NRC list. No issue of leadership change, says Biren. The People's Chronicle. 3 months for solution and ultimatum to Nagas, says Muiva. Awards testimony of good governance, says Chief Minister. Ukhrul police bear facts on missing cases. Sexual assault case. Man sentenced. Tutor convicted. Imphal Free Press. Government of India and ASEAN-IM parley in troubled waters. We find it difficult to trust the government of India, says Muiva. State GDP and revenue in robust health, says Chief Minister. Teachers mass leave paralyzes government colleges. No truce until our demands are met, says Fagokta. Vehicle smart card project in doldrums. Missing children traced, handed over to parents. The Morning Bell. Bosco court comes down hard on tuition teacher found guilty of sexual assault on 9 minors. Hearing on October 1st. Paul Kame is sentenced to 5 years rigorous imprisonment for sexual assault on minor. No question of replacing leadership in government, says Chief Minister. 5 Congress councillors join BJP. Moray Police Station is Best Police Station. SI Mohammed Wakibuddin Best Police Officer. Manipur Mail. Manipur wins 25th Senior Women's Football Championship. Ledpao appeals youth to be self-reliant. Unexplored potentials in Northeast, says Dr. Jitendra Singh.
And before we end this bulletin, the top stories once again. Sapling plantation in Kobru Range soon, says Chief Minister Biren. Manipur government to increase production of indigenous Meitei Chang. And Union Minister Ramdas Athwale inaugurates newly constructed RPIA office at Imphal. That's all for the news today. Thank you for watching.